Hi, this is Peter with HTP America. Today we're talking about the new Invertig 251. We're talking about amperage. Starting amperage, this machine gives you the ability to start at 1 amp to 250 amp max. I'm going to show you where the machine displays the max pedal, where it shows the starting amperage, how to adjust this, and we're also going to touch on other starting parameters like tungsten selection diameter or custom hot start options for TIG. So let's look into this and see what we need to do to get going. Right now here at the display you see 250 amp. This is your max pedal. You adjust this by dialing the encoder. And the starting amperage is currently set to 10 amps. It shows us down here to you. We are in TIG 2T DC. In order to adjust the starting amperage, you go into the settings menu. TIG remote pedal is on. TIG remote direction normal. As you step on the pedal, it increases. And then minimum amps TIG, dial these down to 1. And there's your 1 amp starting. Hit the home button to go back. Now you see you have 1 amp starting, 250 amp max amperage. Now, this only tells you part of the story. What happens, especially in AC, you have but it happens in DC too, you have a unadvertised hot start on every TIG machine. The manufacturer may or may not tell you, and sometimes through the tungsten selection you can get into a certain range, but you cannot set an exact amperage typically. So what happens here is when you weld on beer cans, let's say, or something really thin, a beer can on the side is about 4 thousandths, like the size of a human hair. If you are on the bottom of the beer can, it's about 13 thousandths. A lot of guys says, well, when you weld beer cans, you really want to light up on the filler rod, not on the can itself, because a lot of machines have a well over 100 amp, undisclosed, unadvertised hot start. So what we did is, not only we gave you a tungsten diameter selection, you go onto the sequencer, then you go into the adjustments menu, and you have the tungsten diameter selection from 40 thousandths, 1/16, 3/32, or 1/8 inch. But you also have a separate hot start. Right now, this is an auto, so whatever tables are in the tungsten diameter selection, based on what you're welding, what your maximum amperage is, it will give you a certain amount of hot start. You can also adjust your hot start here, starting at 5 amps. So it's a 5 amp hot start for a 1 amp arc. So you have the 5 amps to get the arc going. Now, typically, I would tell you, keep your hot start for reliable arc ignition on small tungstens that are clean around 30, and otherwise north of about 60 amps. Or just leave it in the auto position, but you will see if everything is pristine ground and clean and everything is ready to go, it is possible to start an arc at 5 amps and keep it at 5 amps without blowing through that beer can. Now, why do I say beer can? If you weld on something, aerospace, on anything that really requires absolute control of the arc, that's what we're giving here. We're giving you the ability to tune this to exactly what your process requires. So there you go, 1 amp, from 1 amp to 250 amp in AC and DC, fully adjustable hot start features or pre-programmed tungsten diameter selections. All right, thank you for watching.